How to add the signature line on the Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the signature line on the Google Docs. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Google Docs, choose your preferred document where you want to add the line to. Now what you can do is simply tap on the edit option, tap on the plus icon right here. You can also tap on the text option, and when you scroll down and try to search for the line spacing and the blank line option, then you won't find it on your phone. So what you can simply do is you can tap on the plus icon, tap on the markup option, and add a line by just marking it up by your pen or highlighter from the very Google Docs if you want to. But if you want a very accurate line, then you can simply go on the plus icon, go on the horizontal line, and you can add this line right here. So you can see that the line is added right here where I placed my cursor to, and just like this the line for signature can be visible right here. So if I want the signature right here, then I need to make a box there and then add the horizontal line, and the line will be visible. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.